So friends, many people have requested me to show the usage of Mousetrap. So here I am. Here I am in front of you showing the different types of Mousetrap. So you can see I have placed 3 varieties of Mousetrap. Each one is around $1 a piece. So on the left hand side is the Victor, which has a kind of a bulging out. On the second side is a kind of a CatchMaster, which has a yellowish kind of a bulging out. And the third is from a Predator brand, which has a kind of a like a zip kind of a steel kind of a ring here. So more or less they all are Mousetrap, which are used to snap mouse to kill small mouses. This is not for a rat. For the rat you will have a same but a bigger version here. So again I'm going to demonstrate to you that how we can effectively use that. So the step number 1 is that you need to have a bait here. Now for the bait you can have a peanut butter, or you can have a cheese, or you can have something like this from Tomcat Attractant Gel, which is around for $5. You can get it from any store. And the second step is that once you decide that you need to put a bait, you need to put a bait very effectively. You can put a bait on the tip, and there are some certain section here. You can see you have to put bait here. In this one you have to put bait on this the edge here, and the next step I'm going to demonstrate is you need, how do we make it? Let's assume there's a bait here. So now second step, what you will do is that you are going to just hold on guys. So the next step is that you pull this lever down and completely down, and pull this string. Make sure that you're putting a thumb down, and then you just rest it in the bulge here, and here you go. So let's see what will happen if the mouse comes. So mousey come. Hello, I'm going to eat your cheesy. This is a toy mouse guys, no, don't get afraid here. Hey. So snap. This is the way it works effectively. So I hope you liked my demo, and do share your comments with me. I hope you like my program. So subscribe to my channel guys, and thanks for watching again. Bye.